the auto profile has had significant improvements made to the way that it operates. Many of the tools are still the same as before. Exporting and importing the vertical design is now no longer a button or buttons found at the bottom. They are found underneath File, so you can actually export this content and import the content onto another string or back onto an original string. One of the key things is that every entry that you make, you can now edit by double clicking. And as soon as you double click, you can see here that the surface form here has had some improvements made to it in just simply an aesthetic perspective, so that you can now see entire surfaces listed rather than sort of a snapshot or a snippet of any surface that may be in there. You can also now, aside from double clicking, use an edit button. Commonly users would tend to go up to one of these particular buttons to edit an entry, thus creating a new one, so they can't really do that anymore. Deleting an entry is very simple. You simply click delete and that will remove, and delete all will remove all of the entries. Fit parameters has had a bit of a change. It used to say down the bottom about using with other VC methods or using exclusively with the fitting tool. The fitting tool was actually removed from auto profile some time ago, so both of those have been removed entirely. So a quick mention for a few of the forms. Reference constraint now has default chainage values applied, which obviously the user can change, but the key thing is that the pull down for the constraint is a lot bigger, so you can actually see the constraint name in there, which was always a bit of an issue. Lastly, when you create a brand new reference surface entry, we provide some default values. So previously these were all empty, so we're just saving a little bit of time for the user just to put something in. Within the surfaces pull down, we also offer default now. So whatever your default surface is in your active settings, you can choose that. So if that happens to change at any point, this means that you don't have to go in and change the surface each time.